All right, I'm in Houston, Texas, and I'm here to train 2 crews to do a roof, torch down roof. This is an 85,000 square foot building. Within a few hours, they will be able to do this roof. You can see how we go about training other people, getting these roofs done, and you save yourself a bunch of money.
Hi, how you doing?
Nice.
Salvador.
Salvador, ¿cómo
Everybody
estás?
call me Sal. Very good, very good.
¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Sí.
Muy bien.
Okay.
Hi, how you doing?
My wife, Ali.
Ali, nice to meet you. Gonna be in charge. Dame an idea. You know?
Here's the reason it's leaking. You can see. Boy, hey, hey. Put it down. Put it down. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien. ¿Y tú?
Bien, bien. Enrique.
Ignacio Nas.
Nas.
Buen día.
¿Cómo está? Buenos días. Enrique.
Enrique.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo está?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice meeting you finally.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
This
Good
is
morning.
my wife, Ali.
Hi, Ali. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Welcome to Texas.
It's hot, right? What? You speak English? Yeah. Oscar, you speak English?
A little bit.
Little. That's it. Just good.
I can translate.
That's
Yes,
good.
no. You.
You don't go like this. Never. Always go like this. Okay? That's the number 1 rule. If you're gonna do like this, you're out the roof. I'm kicking you off. I say no.
¿Lo vas a sacar?
You're gonna go like this. I want to see where you go. If you don't go like this, then you're gonna go back. We got already a crew doing the base. They know what they're doing. Rico, cut a small piece, put it here. All right, so we got a crew doing that. And we got another crew. They've never done roofing. Hold on, Nate, hold on. Hold on. Okay, pull it. There you go. Walk, pull it far away. Yeah, stand up. A late start this morning.
Right there. Perfect.
Kike.
So we put the base down. This is a fiber base material. Normally people will torch straight to this. Normally you straight torch to this, but I don't do that. We do different. We put this because we want to cover the stone. You understand this? We cover the stone so we get a smooth surface. You see, we got a relatively smooth surface.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a blower, blow this whatever stones on here off, and that's just nice and smooth now. Okay. Then we put this base sheet, which is a modified bitumen base. Look, it's sticking. You see that?
Yeah, it's gonna stick little by little.
Look,
With the heat, yeah?
it's gonna stick. This sticks to this.
Okay.
Now this is a modified bitumen base. It's not the same as this. It's different.
Yeah, I see.
Now we have a super smooth surface, but
yeah, more.
the torch down
No.
will stick to this
Yeah.
very fast.
Okay.
So that's what the principle is. Okay.
Okay, the torch we're gonna use now, or
Yeah, we're gonna do a torch on top of this now.
Okay.
I'll show you. But let's do the drippage here first because we need to get the water off into the gutter, right? Come here. See that? You want to see that? If you don't see it, you're not putting enough fire.
Okay.
See it?
Yes, sir.
Look, she push it. Make the air go out.
Okay, listo.
That's it. Nice. That's it.
Ahora.
That's it. Push it.
Tráetelo, ándale.
So, new guy learning. He's only done about 8 feet and he's doing very good. Push, yeah.
Up.
Yep. Poquito más. Yep. Poquito más. Yes. Yeah. Por acá. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Muy bien.
Good job. Very good.
Excellent.
You got it. That's it.
Oh, 28, 27 or 28 of June. We came back here a week and a half later. So I'm inspecting what I taught my guys that I trained for this job, and to see if how they progress, and if it's done right, and if they should get more training. That's what I'm here for. Go. This is the transition. So I want to get it as smooth as possible. Watch out. That's it.
Extiéndelo, extiéndelo.
Yeah.
Good.
That's it.
Like that. Así
Nothing
mero.
more. No more. That's it.
Bastante.
All I need is this.
Yeah, cover this ramp.
Make the ramp like this.
Okay.
When the water comes,
Yeah, of course. They don't go.
you cannot move. Doesn't matter if the rollers die or okay.
That's right.
That's the way you don't leak anymore. See this one?
Yeah.
Not to be bad, but let's say it's bad, right?
Okay. Imagine it's bad.
That's it. And that's it.
Okay.
You have to,
No, make a hole and make a hole.
No.
Holes.
No.
Just heat it.
That's it. See, always I come out the seam, you see? All right, this concludes the inspection and the training, and this is the owner of the building,
Yes.
and this is the manager here on the job. I think the job, I don't know, I don't say think, I know. I looked at everything, I looked at the seams. The seams are well done. The flashing is done well. And this roof is good for another 40 years or more. No problems. This is how you save money. You can do it. You can get a team to do your roof for you, and you don't need to pay a roofing contractor. Alrighty, this concludes it now, and we'll see you on the next video.